Hey Arena 7, here are your weekly updates for the 28th through the 1st of November. I bet the person who invented the door knocker won a Nobel Prize. Huge shout outs to the following people. Daniel and Romario are doing some fantastic work for computer science. And I realize I haven't shouted out seniors in a while. We have a ton of seniors in class. We have a lot of people who have become seniors pretty recently, so I just want to give a shout out to Drew, Manuel, Rochelle, Brian, Ryan, Daniel, Keith, Jeremy, Daniel M, Lori, and Juan, all who are seniors and all who can conceivably graduate. Destiny. What are you doing, Abe? And Destiny, all who could graduate this year. So huge shout out. I think we have some of the most seniors of most classes. Cool. Quick credit goal reminders on this coming Friday. If we hit 23 credits, there will be a pizza party. I will beat people at video games. If we hit 30, then I will do a gender reveal for my child. Credit updates. We have 21.5 out of the 23 we need, and we have 5.5 that could be earned literally in a day. So all these people could earn 1 credit in a day. They have less than 4 tasks left. And then we have a bunch of people who are really, really close to earning credits this month. Huge shout out to the people who earned credits last week. I'm going to forget some. I think Lori, Samuel, Daniel, Jeremy for sure. Keith has gotten 2 PE credits. Nice work, everyone. So we're very close to hitting that October goal. As a reminder, as a class and as a community, I'm really going to be pushing that people hold one another accountable and think about their success in class. I think we have a really strong community. I want to make sure we're leveraging that to help people graduate. So if you see people who are in the yellow, who are on their phones, who are talking about stuff, who aren't hitting their goals, it means they're probably not on track to graduate. And if so, please check in with them. I'll make sure I'm doing this, but just make sure that everyone's setting good workspaces, putting away their phones, continuing to have healthy and loving relationships that are supportive of you in your life. I'm going to be meeting with people monthly around conferences. I've met with a lot of people so far last week, but I just want to let everyone know these are the students who are still on my list. During that meeting, we will be setting a specific graduation goal. We'll be mapping out the credits that you need to graduate. Then we are going to set your bank to reflect that goal. I've told people about this in meetings, but I want to make sure this is understood by everyone. We're going to estimate the tasks remaining to find that you have to graduate to find out how many tasks you need to do a day. The way we're going to do that is take the number of credits you have remaining to graduate. We're going to divide it by the months until your target graduation day. That will give us the total credits you need to earn per month. We're going to take that number, credits per month, multiply it by 40, which is about the number of tasks there are in the course, and this will give you the number of tasks you need to do per month to meet your target graduation day. Then we'll take the tasks that you need to earn per month. We're going to divide that by 15, which is the total number of days on average, of school days on average per month. This will give us the number of tasks you need to do each day to meet your target graduation goal. And then we'll change your bank accordingly to make sure that that reflects if you're on track to graduate when you want to graduate. October events, we have Diamond's birthday coming up on the 29th, Rocking the Boat on the 29th as well. We have Fancy Group on Monday. I'll be in to do a little bit of a workshop around school modifications to hear your feedback on some things we're thinking about. The 31st is Halloween, and then Friday, hopefully, I think we're really close to hitting our credit goal. And there's also a student showcase and iPad raffle on that day, so make sure if you're hitting your goals that you're talking to me about submitting things. And then election week is next week, or election day is next week. New York has early voting, so if you want to go and vote earlier, you can find your polling place. Also, no school on that day. This is the daily schedule. It looks like I need to update it, but I think most people know where they need to be. And then finally, I just want to let everyone know about my current Regents plans for people. As a reminder, these are not the actual ones that you're sitting for me to officially schedule you for a Regents. We are going to expect you to take a mock Regents to understand what you know, to complete a subject in that course in that subject area. And there are really good reasons for that. Basically, I'm not going to schedule you to fail a test. I'm not going to support that failure. If you have questions about that, please come speak to me. And we'll go from there. This is who I have for which Regents. If you feel like that is an error, please let me know as soon as possible, and we'll get everything updated. Thanks a lot. Let's go to Arena 7.